Under Pressure A.J.J. Grand Dam is sibling to 1m60 Madiba A.J.J. In the pedigree of Under Pressure A.J.J, we see two young mares in succession. His Grand Dam Kiroyal A.G. is a sibling to the international 160 level performer Madiba A.J.J, ridden by Ashley Fogel. From this direct family also originates the international 150 and 155 level competing horses Quick Farah and Quartier du Château Hollande Gazette, as well as several 1m45 show jumpers. Sire Up van Paradijs was the reserve champion at the BWP Stallion Approvals and is one of Willem Geeve's future talents. He presents his first crop of foals.